Hi, I'm Kayla with WTI, and I was struggling at bedtime reading stories to my son to be able to see the pages. But this book light from Vekkia has tremendously helped and changed story time for us at bedtime. This book light is so compact and lightweight, but the light that it puts off is amazing. It has 3 different light temperatures, and then also you can adjust the brightness. The clip on the bottom is adjustable and even has a little flap that allows you to adjust it even further. For us personally, most of the time we're using it on a children's book, and so it's perfect for us to just clip on the back of the book and it lights up both pages, so not only can I see the words, but my son can see the pictures perfectly. This has a completely flexible neck, which allows you to place the light in the perfect position you need to read your book. I also love that it's completely rechargeable. It comes with its own charging cable and it charged up so quickly. Actually, I plugged it in right when I first got it just to make sure it had a full charge, but within just a few minutes, I had the blue light ready to go and it was ready to use. When I'm reading at bedtime, whether for myself or to my child, I typically want the room itself to be a little bit darker, right, to help you start to get ready for bed. But you need a little bit of light assistance to help you. This book light is perfect because it doesn't give you too bright of a light where you feel like it's the middle of the day, but it gives you just a really nice, comfortable light that you can read the pages without straining your eyes. It has been the perfect assistant to bedtime at our house. It allows us to be able to comfortably see a good storybook and just settle down for the night. But that's just my point of view.